right, so I love this series. It's the second installment of Mind Games. Adam Trent came to fame as part of Broadway's The Illusionists, which went on to be the world's best-selling touring magic show ever. Now he's branching out, headlining his own tour, but he has made some time to dazzle us with a few tricks. Please welcome Adam Trent. Adam, hi.
Thank you.
Hi. So they are saying, first of all, you're 32 years old?
Yes.
You're a young guy, but they're saying that you are the future of magic. How does that feel?
It feels great, I guess.
How'd you get into magic?
I started when I was 8 years old. Way a lot of kids do. I got a book on magic, and I just started doing it. And I spent the last couple of years on Broadway with The Illusionists, and now I'm on my own solo tour, so it's amazing.
Okay. All right, let's lay it on us.
All right,
Trick number one.
I'm actually trying something using all of your items in the audience. I want you guys to take out some items, like some non-valuable items, like a receipt, a business card, a couple coins. I'm going to collect some items from the audience. If we have some items, go ahead and pop them in the box. Items in the box. This is good. Toss them in. Toss them in. Anything back here? Well, that was a lot of money right there. Okay, that was very
it's like
generous
being a church
of you.
with a collection.
A few more. Okay, we're good. All right, fantastic. All right, Megyn, I'm going to try to get through. I'm going to do some sleight of hand magic with items from the audience. Sound good?
Okay.
All right. We're going to do this as fast as we can. Let's have some music to do this.
There you go.
Ooh, there we go. All right, Megyn, we'll start with a tic-tac box.
Right.
What's a tic-tac box? Ready? Empty tic-tac box. Give it a little shake like this. It actually fills itself up.
Oh.
We'll continue on. If I take out your item, make some noise, we have a dollar bill. That's for you. Okay.
Who doesn't like the dollar?
Ready? Watch the dollar. Ready? Just give you a visual. Ready? A little blow like that, it actually becomes
Hey.
You feel the dollar. That was pretty good.
Nice. That was very good.
All right, let's see. We have some snackage.
Yeah.
There you go.
Love the Oreo cookies.
Love the Oreos. This is the way that everyone eats these things. Watch.
Yes.
Same way that everyone does it. Watch. Right? A little twist. Everyone does it the same. Megyn, watch this, okay? Right here in the middle. Watch, ready? A little wave like this. Watch, you'll see it start to slowly.
Hey.
Some of you just thought this was a trash can. That's nice. Some of you just...
Somebody give you an empty Coke can?
I'm not going to do anything with that. This
Okay.
is...
All right.
This is... Thanks for keeping it classy, guys. This
Oh,
is,
nice. A flosser.
I'm going to skip all that. You guys want to learn how to do a magic trick?
Yes, I would love to learn
I'm
how.
going to teach you a magic trick, Megyn. Let me move this back here for a moment. All right, this will be like a little two-phase process. I'm going to show you what it looks like first, then I'll show you how it works.
Okay.
Okay, so it'll be the...
First I watch it.
Yes, the performance followed by the tutorial. We can see these cards are all indeed different. We can see this on the camera. Yes?
Yes.
Different. Megyn, I'm going to run my finger down the side of the pack. Whenever you want, you just yell stop. Wherever you yell stop, that'll be your card, okay? Here we go.
Stop.
Right there, fantastic. Go ahead and take the card, look at it, and then show it to the camera. Show it to the camera, and I can see it. That's great. Okay. And that's it. That's how it works.
Magic.
That's all there is to it. That's all there is. I place your card on top of the deck. Two of spades on top of the deck. Megyn, you have a very important role. You're going to be on pin duty, okay? When I say the moment's now, you're going to open the pin up and get it ready, okay? Let's practice. The moment's now. Okay, it's not actually now, but we're getting close. Watch. I take a balloon. I take the pack of cards. I tap the cards against the balloon. I say the magic words. Megyn Kelly and Adam Trent. Okay? When I do that, listen. You can actually hear this, Megyn. There's now something inside the balloon. You hear that?
It's not my card.
Listen. Pop the balloon.
Don't
Ready?
freak me out.
Oh! The balloon pops. One card falls out of the balloon. Ladies and gentlemen, the two of spades!
Well done. Well done.
So that's the
How'd
way-
you do it?
All right, so here's
it
the-
wasn't really in the balloon.
Well, here's the secret to it, okay? You're very close, yes. Someone picks a card, doesn't matter what it is, you chose the two of spades. I put it on top of the deck, okay? Then I give you a pin and I say, get ready. That's just distraction. While you're doing that, I just push your card off into my hand like this. So I palm your card off the top.
Yeah.
And then, like you thought, yes, basically you reach over, you're at a party or something, you just grab a balloon, you press the card against the balloon, and you're ready to do the trick. It's that easy, okay?
Oh, but you need an opaque balloon.
Don't use clear balloons. Yeah,
okay,
this is just for instruction. You
All
tap the
right.
cards against the balloon and you say Adam Trent and Megyn Kelly, which does nothing.
Okay.
But there's this little moment right here where
It was exciting for
I
me.
say, listen, Megyn, you can hear something. You do hear something. And it's just this. It's just...
Oh, it's your finger.
You seem angry about this. You
Nice.
seem, that's all you do. You just pop the balloon and you're done with the trick.
So you just make use of all your surroundings.
But I'll tell you what. If they see that, you can still save it. You go, do that. Ready? Watch. When you do that, you'll actually see the balloon start to heat up. and you can actually get the card to...
How'd you do that?
You can actually get it to melt all the way.
How'd you do that? Just when you are thinking, I can do this, I can do this, you bust out something like that. But you weren't able to use that Coke can, so...
I'll try the Coke can if you want. Would you like to see me try the Coke can? We'll try this, all right? Check this out. You guys can see the dents in the can. Yes, see the dents? Yes. See the dents? Watch the dents. You're going to see this happen kind of visually. If I give it a little shake like this, the dents will actually unpop themselves, which is only kind of impressive, apparently. We still have a busted lid. We still have a busted lid right here. See the lid? Watch this, Megyn. You see the lid happen kind of visually on the count of 1, 2, 3. The lid will actually seal itself. But that's just the dents. That's just the lid. Most important part of the whole process, Megyn. The most important part is the recycling. That's a watch. Most important part. Don't go nuts yet, ladies and gentlemen. Go nuts now. Cheers, everybody!
Well done. Well done, Adam. He begins his 2018 cross-country tour this January. Be sure to check him out in a city near you. We'll be right back.
Hello, Today fans. Thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Subscribe by clicking that button down there and click on any of the videos over here to watch the latest interviews, show highlights, and digital exclusives.